My name's David. I've come here today to talk about recovery. We're actually in a place called Barrow in Furness, and we come to talk to the guys here at Unity and talk about their recovery and talk about their journey through the service and where they're at today. So yeah, we hope you enjoy the show, and we'll leave it there. Thank you.
First time I came through the doors, I can't even remember it because my family brought me. That was the first time when I got prescribed and balanced on this prescription. But then that lasted for some time, and I went back at it, and I was a dog warden, and I was working, and I was using all the time. And then it probably another 5 years passed in addiction, and that's when I really wanted help, and I started coming here. I used to sneak out from work and come here, come to acupuncture, come to the groups, just try to reduce my benzos to a level I could come off. And this went on for ages, and in the end I just got really, really bad, and I kept overdosing and lost my job, and everything went down the pan. And that's when I was coming and begging to go to rehab, and I did, and I went to rehab for 8 months. And that really done a job for me. And then I come home and I started volunteering here and at the rehab, and I just went from there really, and that's how I began the apprenticeship here, and it's been amazing really. Yeah. Rock bottom. I think the worst time was when I still had a job and I was go to work every day, and that kept me going, but as soon as that went, and then I was just scratching around, then I really had nothing to do. It's hard to remember back, really. But when I was rock bottom, that lasted for a long time, and I was trying to get periods of being straight on my own, because I didn't really know what groups could do for you at that time. I was naive to all that. So I think the longest I could get was a week, and it was just hell every day, waking up and having to score to feel alright, and all of it was hell. As I say, I found out about Unity when I was dragged in here by my family first, but then I didn't really start taking it serious till I needed it to be serious, you know, and then I discovered Smart Recovery, and I was coming, and that was on once a week at the time, and when I've discovered that really gave me some hope, you know, and I started learning little bits. That's where I first started learning, and Smart did a lot for me, yeah, early doors, and then I discovered more groups as time went on. Well, in every way, it's helped me build my confidence again. It's built me right up really from coming here. I don't know what I'd have done without it. I don't know what the answer would have been, because at the time when I was trying to get well, I had no idea about recovery, didn't know what it meant, didn't know anything about it. So all of it, the last 3 years, has just been massive learning and rebuilding really. And knowing there's always somebody to help you or guide you, whatever you might be struggling with. Now I'm a support worker here, but previous to that, last 18 months I've been an apprentice here, and that all came from volunteering really. But at Unity I support people, whether it be on a one-to-one basis or in groups, a lot of group work. And I've been doing that for 18 months, volunteered about 7 months before that, and then now I'm a support worker. And it's all developing myself, helping others. It's all positive stuff. My hope for the future is just to keep doing what I'm doing, and just continue to do what I do and help people, and let people help me as well. It's just a great place to be. You know, it's a safe place for people, myself included.